Even though the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is still a relatively fresh addition to the best phones list, rumors about the Galaxy S24 Ultra are starting to circulate. But since phone manufacturers are always thinking about their next model, development on the one for the following year is already well underway. Expect a constant trickle of Galaxy S24 Ultra leaks over the coming months, with the rate of disclosure increasing the closer we approach to the device's anticipated arrival in early 2024. Although that's still a while off, there is enough information available to give us a general idea of what Samsung may be planned for its next flagship phone. There is some knowledge available about what we may anticipate from Samsung's premium handset based on early leaks about the Galaxy S24 and rumors that are concentrated on the Ultra variant. Even the mid-range Galaxy A54 has already debuted since the launch of the Galaxy S23 series in February. Samsung's next priority is anticipated to be the release of new models of its foldable devices in the second half of the year. It's expected that the speculated Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 will be available for purchase long before the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S series of smartphones are normally released by Samsung in the first quarter of the year, with February being the month of choice for the introduction of its newest flagship models. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will thus probably be unveiled in February 2024 together with the rest of the S24 series. Though additional trustworthy rumors about the debut date are anticipated to surface in the future months, this is only an educated guess. There is unlikely to be a big design update for the Galaxy S24 Ultra given Samsung's previous history of merging the Ultra style into the Galaxy S23 range and even the less expensive Galaxy A series. It is anticipated that Samsung will stick with similar design strategy with the Galaxy S24 Ultra as well. Samsung seems to like the vertical camera module architecture, which displays a column of camera lenses descending down the back of its handsets. Samsung is expected to remain with the design language that has proved to be popular with customers, despite some concept designs suggesting a more drastic departure from it. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.